Good morning, sunshiners. Today is kind of a windy day here, and so I decided to do some fall house cleaning. And I have a couple projects I'm working on, so I had to get myself prepared. First of all, I needed a screwdriver with a Phillips head. I needed my coffee. Yummy, yummy, yummy. I want to show you the gunk that's coming off the ceiling fan that I'm cleaning. So, yeah, it was high time to do this. You need a couple chairs, you need towels on the floor. I will show you my current project, which is a ceiling fan. And if I zoom in, you can see the gunk on it. Well, I didn't want to get it all over the rug, so I'm taking each blade down and I'm washing the blades, and they're over here. These are the clean ones. So nice. Important thing, you must dry these thoroughly with each one. So this project's going to take some time. I have my favorite tunes on, which you can't hear right now because they're copyrighted, and I don't want to get in trouble that way. But these little screws come out very nicely with the screwdriver. And remember, it's a Phillips head. Let's see here. And yeah, I just wanted to show you what I was working on, and I want to show you that you can do it. I have a couple ladders here. I'm using the Costco one. I don't get paid for any of these. I just try to help you do your projects and wish you the best of luck. I'm not going to get up and film myself doing it because, you know, obviously safety first. But I'll finish this, and then I'm going to work on finding a filter for this. This is the ceiling fan in the RV. Here's the lovely flower arrangement my sister made for me, and I just absolutely love it. And I have some hot soapy water in here, which I am washing it, and I have a sponge. And I'm going to put this back together, and then some of my fall house cleaning will be done. And I hope you have a wonderful and blessed day.